Hey, how's it going? I gotta switch out the blade on my Toro push mower. So I just want to show you real quick how I do it.
AllCoastLawncare.
So some people they use you could use a ratchet. All right, a ratchet right here. I use a size 16. For this, it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. If you use a ratchet, just make sure you have a block. So if we're gonna go that way, lefty, just have the block right there, and you could do it that way, like that. Or you could just use an impact drill. An impact gun, like that. If you have an impact gun, you don't really need this block of wood. So there's that one right there. I got the new one. Make sure it's the same size, 22 inch. What I wanted was a high lift blades. These right here, the high lift ones, they're kind of like gator in a way. I want them to be more higher so like it could like bring up the grass more, but this is all they had at Home Depot. So bam. Make sure the blade's on it correctly. Want it like that. Put that back on there like that. So remember, if you're gonna use an impact gun, screw it in there first, all right? Because if we start from the very beginning with the impact gun, you could like cross thread, and I'll go all the way in there though, but it'll be all messed up, the threads, and it'll be hard to take out. And now you have a damaged with the threads. All right, impact gun. And then that's how I do it, y'all. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful. Please like if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. There's more videos to come, and thank you, and see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.